favorite blush. It's called NARS Orgasm.
Church folks have orgasms too. Thank you very much. Oh, she started filming and I didn't know it. Hi, I'm JL's mama. And she said I made a promise that I really don't remember making, that she could transform me from this, tore from the floor up, look, because y'all know I'm a hot mess right now, into a glamorous woman. So, I'm putting myself in my baby's hands. I'm trying to ignore the dogs that keep running into my legs. And we're going to get this show on the road.
So I'm starting off by priming my mom's eyelids. While my mom does have more dry skin while I have more normal to oily, my sister and I both inherited our very oily eyelids from our mother, so priming is absolutely imperative. So I'm using some of my mom's own makeup for this video, including her eyeshadow palette. My mom owns the Juvia's Place Nubian 1 palette, which is her favorite palette because it is all neutral shades, all super earthy tones, and that's what she lives for. My mom will always talk about how she wants to have some vibrant color, and then she just buys something that has all neutral shades because that's her go-to. But she loved it. She was so happy with it, and I don't think that she's ever played with the shadows in the exact way that I did, so I think it was really exciting for her to see them done in a little bit of a different way that kind of gave her a little bit more vibrance but could still be construed as natural and, you know, accessible for her.
Because it's subtle, and it's some of my favorite shades. It's the earthy shade, so I like that it's earthy. Who, me? I said nothing. Shh, don't tell her, don't tell her. So she's priming my face like a wall.
So because my mom's skin is hecka dry, I just had to go ahead and do some priming measures. So I used her e.l.f. primer. I will have the exact name of it linked somewhere, probably down below. It is super moisturizing and she loves it. She said it's the only primer she's ever used that makes her skin feel that hydrated. And I also went ahead and I took some of my Becca Backlight priming filter and I just popped that on her skin. Typically, that doesn't really alter the appearance of makeup, but I don't know if it necessarily altered the appearance of her makeup or if it was just the foundation that she had, because her foundation was not an exact match. It was a little bit light, so I think it was more the foundation, but I added both of those because I wanted to give her skin like this extra glow, because she always feels like her skin just looks really dry and dull, even though it doesn't look that way. That's how she feels. So I wanted to show her that she could kind of give her skin an extra boost if she wanted. So I mixed both of those two and primed her skin. I did a little bit of color correcting with my Gellar color correction pot, and we went ahead and had some fun. It's called NARS Orgasm.
Church folks have orgasms too. Thank you very much. I think with mascara is that there's this giant thing coming at your eye, like when you're doing the eye exam and they have the thing coming into your eyeball. And they're like, don't blink. And your brain is saying, invasion, invasion. Do you love how she says, typically you do this, but mom, I'm not going to go do that for you. I'm going to do this for you, but trust me, it'll be okay.
So for the lips, as I said, my mom is all about the neutrals, but I wanted to give her just a hint of color. So I picked up this Bare Minerals liquid lipstick. I'll have it linked down below because I can't remember the exact name of it. But she loved it. It gave her the perfect hint of color between the liner and the lipstick. And it just stayed relatively neutral, but also just captured the colorful essence that I was trying to go for. So that was perfect.
Glammed up and so long.